Hey guys, the seat next to me is empty, which means we must be doing a sauce review today, and that means we're talking about Aqua Salts Pure. Now this is a strawberry apple watermelon flavor, which is pretty cool when you think about that combo. Like if you were eating it in real life, vaping it is just as good. These guys make some nice juices. We haven't reviewed too many of them in the past. I don't think we reviewed any of them in the past, honestly, but we're definitely going to review a lot more of them coming up because I really like this flavor. You know, Nate and I vape a lot of vape juice, and this is one that I can consistently hit. Not just because I don't get burnt out on the flavor, but because I actually enjoy the flavor. The mix of these three flavors, the apple and the strawberry especially, are what I really like the most because you can taste them the most. And like loaded up in something like my Smock Nord, it's definitely the way to go. It's very smooth, which I like a lot. I definitely like a good throat hit, but you know, I definitely appreciate something that's very smooth too. And this definitely is on the smooth side of things. Check it out down below. We've got it linked for a really good price if you're interested in a smooth kind of appley, you know, summer vibey flavor. And that's awesome. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and until next time, peace out.